Welcome to Relaxed Gardens. Imagine stepping onto your small balcony and instantly feeling the weight of the day slip away. Even the tiniest corners can become calm retreats when designed with intention. A few smooth pebbles beneath your feet, a bonsai standing proud in a quiet corner, a gentle breeze brushing against bamboo chimes. This is the magic of a mini Zen retreat. These small sanctuaries are more than just pretty spaces. They're your daily pause button. Whether to place to sip morning tea or sit in silence with the sunset, designing with simplicity brings a deep sense of peace. Let's explore how to turn your balcony into a soul-soothing escape, one thoughtful detail at a time. Even in the smallest spaces, serenity can climb skyward. Vertical gardens transform bare walls into lush living tapestries, adding texture, color, and life without taking up precious floor space. Whether you hang planters, weave climbing vines, or create a DIY trellis system, these vertical ideas turn tiny balconies into green sanctuaries. Let nature rise, and let your stress fall away. Water has a way of quieting the mind. The gentle sound of trickling fountains or still water bowls adds instant calm to any garden, especially in small spaces where sound becomes part of the design. Whether it's a handcrafted tabletop fountain, a repurposed ceramic bowl, or a miniature reflecting pool, water creates a focal point of stillness. And the best part? You can build one yourself, no plumbing needed. Sometimes the most powerful design choices are the most organic. Using natural materials like stone, wood, and clay grounds your garden in earthy calm. These elements bring warmth, structure, and a handmade charm that fits perfectly into small spaces. Mix textures, reuse materials, and embrace the imperfect. Whether it's a rustic clay pot or a reclaimed wood stool, each piece tells a story, quietly enhancing the peace around you. Every small garden deserves a soul-soothing corner, a sacred space where calm and comfort meet. By combining soft cushions, ambient lanterns, and gentle shade from a parasol or trailing plant, you create a personal retreat right in your balcony or courtyard. These Zen corners don't need to be large, just thoughtful, a place to sit, reflect, breathe, and be. Add flowing fabric, warm textures, and flickering candlelight for instant serenity. If you felt a little more relaxed just watching this video, imagine what creating one of these corners could do for your soul. Tell us in the comments, which part of today's garden design inspired you most? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves a peaceful garden escape. Until next time, from relaxed gardens, breathe deeply and grow gently.